Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Italy. Oh my God, ciao and buongiorno to our Italian friends. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And I know that Eurovision 2025 is upcoming and they have in different countries to which part of the Eurovision 2025 are they are choosing the best of their country to represent in the Eurovision 2025. And I know in Italy there is a lot of artists that they have to choose those authentic one. And this video reaction or the artist that we discovered that to represent the Eurovision 2025, I think he is such an amazing because the panel of I think the musicians in Italy chooses this artist because he deserved to represent in their country in this year's Eurovision 2025. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is the performance of Lucio Corsi, Canta Volevo essere un duro, and I think the English translation with this one is I wanted to be tough. And yeah, I think this one because I saw his aura is like I think he's not like so strong, but on his music he will represent to be strong and tough. And I wish that he will choose the best song to represent in Eurovision because I think this year's have a lot of like strong contenders to represent Eurovision 2025 in different country. And credit also with the owner of the video to Rai. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video because this was in Sanremo 2025. Then Lucio Corsi performed. I hope you will be having fun and enjoy with this video reaction of mine, and please do consider shares like please do consider shares like and subscribe with my channel Junris React. Let's get to it guys, enjoy.
You're a superhero. Volevo essere un duro che non gli importa del futuro, un robot, un lottatore di sumo.
Oh my God, I love that the introduction of this like few lines of it. It was so amazing to hear. And see, he can play piano, or I think this is an organ. And I like the outfit this one. I think those costume he wear in the performance is something related to the song that he's performing because he is such a fantastic artist. Oh my God, like I really like the tone he's giving. Fantastic. I think this artist is a phenomenal artist in Italy. That's why they choose this guy to represent. Wow. This is amazing. I love it. But I was shocked.
Uno spaccino in fuga da un cane lupo alla stazione di Bolo. Una gallina.
Oh, who is this guy? Is he doing? Oh my God. Because it's not in the title of the video that he has someone to do it in this song. And I like the makeup, the white one. I think it suits to the character of he portraying to this performance. Wow. He is very creative. He knows what he doing. And let me know at the comment section, guys, who is the other guy that he's been do it with this amazing song. And I really like it. The tone, the musicality of it. It's such a fantastic one.
Dalle uova d'oro. Però non sono nessuno. Non sono nato con la faccia da duro. Ho anche paura del buio. Se faccio a botte le prendo. Così mi...
Oh my God, the insam of this performance. Like, I like the stage. I like the way how the set up. And then, like, his amazing voice make it so fantastic in this performance. This is incredible. Goodness gracious. Oh my God, he played a very nice character.
Truccano gli gli occhi di nero, ma non ho mai perso tempo, è lui che mi ha lasciato indietro. Vivere la vita è un gioco da...
Oh my God. I wish that I could understand the lyrics of the song, but I can relate to it. That this is such an amazing. I think this is a moving. Put in a comment section, guys, what is the real meaning of this song? Because like I want to be tough and there's something like strong and like might be avenged, or I wanted to do this because for my country or for my people. And wow, he performed it so nicely. Sorry that I have to cut it off, guys, because I was so impressed the way how he performed with this one, and together with like his colleague, or he just do it to someone. Goodness gracious, this is amazing, and I think he has a very big chance to win, or might be in a strong contender in Eurovision 2025. Wow.
Ragazzi, me lo diceva mamma ed io cadevo giù dagli alberi. Quanto è duro il mondo per quelli normali che hanno...
That was like, it's just a few clip, like a small one, 1 minute, but I enjoyed it so much because the tonality, his vocal quality is such a fantastic way of delivering those words that you can feel his strongness, the attack of the song. It's like so meaningful that you enjoyed listening. It's like pleasing to the ear. His tone, like I don't know his genre, but I think I love it. I know that a lot of people, not just an Italian supporter, but I know a lot of people part of the Eurovision will be loved and enjoyed watching his performance. This is so crazy. This is like mind-blowing performance. And let's get to know with this guy, Lucio Corsi, born October 15, 1993. Oh, he's very young. He's an Italian singer, songwriter, born and raised in the Maremma region of Tuscany, Italy. He is known for his blend of glam rock, surreal lyrics, and fairy tale themes. Corsi began composing music at a young age and moved to Milan after high school to pursue his career, releasing his duet episode Volotonia Daker and Altalina Boy in 2017. Corsi released Basti. Oh, he releases a lot of music in his country, and I know they love it. Pop rock. His genre is pop rock, blues, and folk. This is amazing. I love this type of genre. Wow. And it caught my attention also, guys. Some of the comments during his performance on this video is, Italy is probably the only country that consistently sends authentic music to Eurovision. Whether you like the genre or not, or whether you appreciate the artists and their style, it doesn't change the fact they value genuine music and artistry. My favorite so far, oh my God, Good Luck from Armenia. Imagine someone from Armenia commented on this performance that he liked it, no matter what genre it is. You don't like it or not, but this guy Corsi deserved to win in a Eurovision. The lyrics of the song tell about the protagonist's desire to be a tough, strong, and fearless. Oh, wow. But he realizes that it is not so. Despite trying to emulate figures, strength, and courage like Whistler or a Cleavage, wow, in the end, you accept yourself for what you are, vulnerable, fears, and weaknesses. This is such an amazing, like, true meaning that it says everything of it. No matter, you can see your weakness, but still, this there is a part of you that you are strong and tough, and that's a fantastic. I hope, guys, you enjoyed watching with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. And good luck to Corsi for representing the Eurovision 2025 from Italy. Wow, I enjoyed so much. I cannot wait to see your performance. I hope, guys, you enjoyed watching with this one. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Italian artists or performances, put in the comment section. I'd love to read and respond with you all. Please do like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, June Reads and React. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. Have a good day, everyone. See you in my next video reaction.